How are you, grade 9? I hope you are fine. Today we're going to start our revision week. Today we're going to solve the revision sheet. Of course, you can find the revision sheet on the website, Sunrise International School Hurghada. You can find it in the icon of the revision. Please open your revision sheet with me. We're going to start solving it here. In the first problem here, he is asking you to solve the equation x power 2 plus 2x minus 3 equals 0 by factoring the related function. How to solve? Solving means what are the values of x which makes this function equals 0. Okay? Or if you remember what we're going to do here, we're going to see if I have the last term negative, that means I have two brackets. Okay, remember with me. One bracket x and another x. Okay, and 3. What are the factors of x of 3? The factors of 3 is 3 times 1. 3 times 1. Very good. So I have 3 and 1. Here, if I have the last term negative and the middle term is positive, that means the two numbers are different sign. The two numbers are different sign. And the middle is the greatest number. The greatest. Okay? Again, if I have the last term negative, so I have two different sign numbers. The greater is like the middle. The greater like the middle. The greater like the middle. So which is the greater, 3 or 1? 3 is the greater, so 3 will take the positive sign and 1 will take the negative sign. So I have this, two brackets are equal 0. Do you remember how to solve it? How to solve it? We're going to take each bracket and equal it by 0 and find the value of x. Okay, so I'm going to divide my paper into two parts. In the first part, x plus 3 equals 0, and here x plus minus 1 equals 0. Plus 3 will go to the other side with what? Will go to the other side with negative. Very good. So x will equal negative 3. And here negative 1 will go to the other side with positive. Very good. So x equals 1. So I have the two solution. Okay, the solution of the equation is that x equals negative 3 and 1. Where is negative 3 and 1? Here it's A. Very good. Of course, you can check by substituting by x equals 1 in the equation. You will have that 0, it's equal to 0. And here substitute with x equal negative 3, you will find it 0. Okay? Very nice. Again, if I have equation like this and he's telling me to solve the equation by factoring, I'm going to make two brackets. Okay, then I will take each bracket and equal it by 0 to find the value of the x. Okay, of course you can return back to the videos of the lessons on the YouTube channel. Okay, let's complete. I have here another one. Here I have solve the equation x power 2 plus 6x plus 8 equals 0 by factorizing. Okay, now I'm going to see 8 is what? What are the factors of 8? 4. The 8 is 4. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. If I have plus, that means I will take the add of the two numbers. If I add 4 and 2, will give me 6, will give me the middle? Yes. So my brackets will be what? Remember? X and x. And I have here plus and plus, so my two numbers are plus. The two numbers are plus. So here plus and here plus. Very good. 4 and 2, they are my factors, so I will write 4 and 2. Very good. So this is equal what? Equal 0. What I'm going to do? I'm going to separate it into two parts. In here, x plus 4 equals 0. And in here, x plus 2 equals 0. Each bracket equals 0. What I'm going to do here, the plus 4 will go to the other side with negative. Very good. So x equals negative 4. And here the plus 2 will go to the other side with negative. Very good. So x equals negative 2. So what are my numbers here? Negative 4 and negative 2. Negative 4 and negative 2, which is A. Excellent, grade 9. Here, let's see number 3. Of course, you can pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Okay, if you want. Okay, it's just the same as the first one. Did you try? Let's see. I'm going to make two brackets. One with x and other with x. Here, the third sign is negative. Third term is negative. So the two terms, one positive and the other is negative. Now, what are the factors of 3? It's 3 times 1. 3 times 1. And we said that if the third term is negative, so the middle term is the greater. The greater will take the sign of the middle term. The greater will take the sign of the middle term. Which is greater, 3 or 1? 3. So 3 will take the negative sign. So I will put 3 here in the negative and here 1. And I'm going to equal it by 0. Very good. Now I'm going to split my paper into two parts. X plus 1 equals 0. And x minus 3 equals 0. Plus 1 will go to the other side with negative. So x equals negative 1. Negative 3 will go to the other side with positive. So x equals positive 3. So my answer will be negative 1 and 3. Negative 1 and 3, which is C. Okay. Of course, I can check by substituting in the equation. Very good. Try to solve it by yourself, this one. Pause the video and try to solve it. Two brackets. Very good. X and x. Excellent. What are the factors of 12? 6 times 2. If I sum 6 and 2, sum because I have plus here. Okay. If I sum 6 plus 2, it will give me 8. Yes. Very good. So I have 6 and 2. Here, the third term is positive. So the two numbers are the same or like the middle term. So both of them is minus. Equal what? 0. What I'm going to do, I'm going to split my paper into two parts. X minus 6 equals 0. And x minus 2 equals 0. Here x equals negative 6 will go to the other side with positive. So it will be positive 6. X equals negative 2 will go to the other side with positive. So positive 2. So my answer is 6 and 2. Where is 6 and 2? Here it's in A. Of course, I can check my answer by substituting in the equation. Okay? Very good. Excellent work. Here I have a problem which has many steps. So please concentrate with me in this one. Use the zero product property to solve the equation. Of course, I can solve the equation here as simple as if this is 0. If this is 0, we're going to do like here. If this is 0, we're going to do like what we said here. We're going to take each bracket and equal it by 0 and get the x. Okay? But look here, it's not 0. So what I'm going to do, if it's not 0, I must put the equation in the general form. What is the general form here? Like here. Look here. here ax power 2 minus bx plus c equals 0. It must be equal 0. So what I can do here, it's not equal 0. I'm going to multiply the two brackets together. Okay, take care of this, please. It's so important one. How? Yeah, let's make it. We have many ways we took it before. First, I'm going to take the x. I'm going to take the x times x and the x times negative 3. X times x, it's what? X power 2. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Very good. So I finished the first term. Let's see the second one. 4. 4 times the x and 4 times the negative 3. 4 times x, it will be what? Plus 4x. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. What I have here? I have here common, what I have here? I have here what? Same term, same term, or like terms. How can I solve this? I'm going to plus negative 3x plus 4x, it will be 1x. So here x plus 2 plus x minus 12 equals what? Don't forget that I have a number here. Equals negative 10. Negative 10. I'm going to take the negative 10 to the other side here. Why? Because I need this side to be 0. Okay? So negative 10 will go to the other side with positive. So it will be positive 10 equals 0. Here I have my 0. That's good. What I'm having here, look here. I'm having like terms here. Negative 12 and plus 10. Negative 12 and plus 10 equals what? Negative 2. So I have x power 2 plus x negative 2 equal 0. Very good. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to make two brackets. Excellent. Let's make two brackets. It will be what? Bracket and bracket. X and x. What are the factors of 2? 2 and 1. If I have the last term negative, so I have positive and negative number. And the middle is the greater. So the positive will be to the greater number. Which is greater, 2 or 1? 2. So 2 will take the positive sign and 1 will take the negative sign. Here it's so easy to take it from here. X plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 1 equal 0. So what I'm going to do, let's solve. Positive 2 will go to the other side with negative. So x equals negative 2. What about here? Negative 1 will go to the other side with positive. So x equals what? 1. Very good. So my answer will be negative 2 and 1, which is A. So take care again. If I have a number here and it's not 0, what I'm going to do? I'm going to multiply first. After I multiply, I will take the number here inside and simplify. After simplifying, go again and factorize it. Factorize it, okay, into two brackets. And these two brackets are equal 0 this time. So I can split my paper into two parts and get the values of the x, or the zeros of the equation. Okay? It's so nice problem and so important. So I give you another one here. Pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Let's start to solve it together. X times x, very good, and x times plus 4. Why? Because I have a number here. Yeah, let's see. X times x, x power 2. Very good. X times positive 4, positive 4x. Very good. Let's take -5 with x and -5 with 4. -5 times x, -5x. -5 times 4, -20. And take care, it's equal what? -14. Don't forget the number. -14. Very good. Let's take the the like terms together. Positive 4x and -5x. It will be what? -x. So x power 2 minus x, or -x. -20. And -14 will go to the other side with positive. So positive 14 equals 0. Very good. Now what I'm going to do? These terms are like terms. I'm going to take them together. So x power 2 minus x. -20 plus 14. It will give you what? -6. It will give you -6 equals 0. What I'm going to do here, I simplify it as I have a 0 here. So I'm going to make 2 brackets. Let's make 2 brackets here and here. Okay. X and x. Very good. What is the 6? What are the factors of 6? 3 and 2. Very good. 3 and 2. The last term is negative, so the middle term is greater. So what is the greater here? 3 or 2? 3 is the greater. So -3 and +2. So I'm going to split my paper. X minus 3 equals 0 and x plus 2 equal 0. So x equals, the -3 will go to the other side with positive. So x equals 3. And here, +2 will go to the other side with negative. So x equals -2. So it's 3 and -2. 3 and -2, which is C. Okay? Okay. This is for today. I hope you understand it. Try to solve it by yourself again, please. Okay? Till next session. See you later.